It's time to talk about our editor, which is Visual Studio Code. If you're using Visual Studio, you might skip this lesson, as this will be only about the Visual Studio Code, as we need to add some extensions for our editor so that it is working as we want it to work. Let's open our script, and here I will show you that you need to go to Extension tab, and there are a few extensions that I have installed, and I would recommend you to install them as well. Debugger for Unity is a must really to use it with Unity, so that all the methods and properties are being displayed, so the auto-completion and suggestions are displayed. I'm using C# for Visual Studio Code as well, and some snippets and Unity tools. So if you just type Unity in here, you will get a list of all the plugins that we might really need. So if we wait for a second, so they are being loaded, you can see them. Debugger for Unity, Unity tools, Unity code snippets. They will be in different order as the installed extensions are being showed first, but you will find them. Just look at the name and install them. Of course, you can install others that might do the same job for you, but I've got them installed and they're working really well. So definitely I would recommend you installing some extra extensions so that working with Visual Studio Code is a pleasure. And I must say it is.